searching for the coming storm. We have horses that like to eat. We're in Iceland.
I'm heading north. I'm heading north to find the wisdom of my own. I'm heading north.
Shame on you.
I'm heading north. I'm heading north back to the place that I was born.
So I survived the first night in the tent. Number 1 of 5. Only some minor air mattress issues. It's alright. Slept for a good solid 11 hours after being awake for 19. I'm more balanced out again.
Yeah. Oh, thank you.
I used to lie awake, visions of the ocean shore, and every day I'd wait, searching for the coming storm. Yeah. Loving you is harder than it seems. We have horses that like to eat. I know. One day you'll come sailing back to me.
All these things to do, and I look up and stare at you, mesmerized by your light. What am I supposed to do? The ocean's right on track, reflects your good looks right on back. You're so damn beautiful, you need to be seen twice. Do you get lonely up there? What's it like living?
Ever come to Iceland? Don't be like all these people here who are not listening to the gates and tramping on the naturalness. Shame on you.
You tell them.
And I'll come after you.
Even at your prime of the night, bet you're lonely too.
We spent the evening soaking at the Geothermal hot springs, then set off the next morning to find yet another waterfall, along with some bubbling earth, a famous cave, and more hot springs.
Oh, I'm gonna stop. Sheep crossing. Bye.
Dettifoss is a waterfall in the river Jökulsá. It is 45 meters high, 100 meters across, has a large volume of water, and is considered the most powerful waterfall in Europe. A common summer water flow of Jökulsá is 400 cubic meters per second and multiplies during floods. Námafjall is a high-temperature geothermal area with fumaroles and mud pots.
This is so cool. It's like bubbling clay.
At a depth of 1,000 meters, the temperature is above 200 degrees Celsius. Along with the steam comes fumarole gas, such as hydrogen sulfide, which is responsible for the characteristic hot smell spraying in these areas.
I wish there was smell-o-vision because this is so raunchy.
The hot springs produce considerable sulfur deposits.
Tell me there's something cooler than nature. I dare you.
Grotchica was a popular bathing place for several decades until the 1975-1984 volcanic eruptions at Krafla brought magma streams under the area, resulting in a sharp rise in water temperature to nearly 16 degrees centigrade. Today the water is in the range of 43 to 46 degrees.
So this is night number 3 in the tent here in Husavik. It is currently, let me see, currently 23:14, 11:15 at night. And it's still this light. This is basically as dark as it gets. But once you close your eyes, it's dark. So, tent is still holding up well. I do have my funky lights here. Let's see if I can get them on. A little LED light strip, but the dim light and off. Not really dark enough here to for them to actually be of use, which is a bit unfortunate, but that's okay. One day I'll be somewhere where it's dark at night again. Not much else to say. I'm gonna get in this sleeping bag and get some sleep. Good night.